You're watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
Welcome back. Today, Zero the Painter is diving into the mesmerizing world of Dutch pour painting. He will be focusing on a striking palette of black and some beautiful pastel colors. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to prepare our canvas. We will be using a 16 by 20 inch canvas today. Make sure it's clean and dry. The smooth surface will help our colors flow beautifully. He's pouring the black paint right on the canvas. This will serve as the backdrop for our other colors. Now let's mix our paints. He is using black as the base color and will complement it with some pastel colors like light blue, red, and bright yellow. To achieve that perfect consistency, we mix each color with a pouring medium. This helps the paint flow smoothly across the canvas. You want it to be fluid, but not too runny. The key is to find that sweet spot. Let's start with our base color. The white circle you see is our ring light being reflected in the paint. There is no white paint on the canvas. The idea is to create a dynamic composition that flows together. Here comes the fun part. We use a hairdryer to blow the paint around. This is the Dutch pour technique. The airflow will help the colors intermingle and create stunning patterns. Let's see how it transforms. Look at those colors. The black is providing depth, while the pastel colors are adding vibrancy and life. This is where the magic happens. Now that the paint has settled, we can see the beautiful effects of the Dutch pour. Remember, every pour is unique, just like each of us. We hope you enjoyed this process as much as we did. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own Dutch pour creations. Until next time, keep painting and stay creative.